Do you want to make your life easier? Ever wondered if there are psychological tricks to do just that? Welcome to a journey into the fascinating world of psychology, where we'll uncover 4 remarkable strategies that can help streamline your life. We'll dive into the art of avoiding yelling, the therapeutic power of expressive writing, the hidden benefits of maintaining good posture, and the skill of asking for help effectively. So fasten your seatbelt and prepare your mind, because we're about to embark on an illuminating exploration. Stay with us as we explore these 4 simple yet powerful psychological tricks. Our first trick is about the power of maintaining calm. Avoid yelling. Let's take a moment to consider the impact of yelling. It's a harsh, loud expression of emotion that often leads to escalation rather than resolution. Yelling tends to put people on the defensive, creating a barrier to effective communication. This is because when we yell, we're not just raising our voices, we're raising the emotional temperature of the conversation, making it harder for all parties involved to think clearly and respond appropriately. Indeed, it's been found that yelling can actually alter the way our brains function, triggering an instinctual fight-or-flight response. It's a reaction hardwired into our DNA from our earliest days as a species, when a loud noise often signaled imminent danger. So when we yell, we're not just making ourselves heard, we're making ourselves feared. Now imagine the alternative. Picture a calm, clear voice that invites conversation rather than confrontation. It's a voice that respects the listener and in turn commands respect. This is the power of maintaining calm. It not only helps us communicate more effectively, but it also fosters a more positive environment. In practical terms, this could be as simple as taking a deep breath before responding to a heated conversation, or choosing to walk away and cool down before re-engaging. It could mean practicing mindfulness to manage our emotions better, or using techniques like the I statements to express feelings without blaming or accusing us. Remember, our goal here isn't to suppress our emotions, but to express them in a way that fosters understanding and collaboration rather than conflict. It's about finding the balance between being heard and respectful, asserting ourselves and preserving relationships. So, next time you're in a heated situation, remember to keep your cool. It's a simple trick that can make a huge difference. Moving on to our second trick, expressive writing. Now, you might be wondering what expressive writing is. Well, it's a simple yet effective psychological trick that involves pouring your thoughts and feelings onto paper. It's about articulating your emotions, experiences and ideas, giving them a tangible form. Expressive writing has a multitude of benefits. It's not just about creating beautiful prose or poetry, it can be a part of it. No, it's more about self-discovery, stress relief, and emotional healing. When you write expressively, you delve into the depths of your mind, uncovering hidden thoughts and feelings. It's like having a conversation with your inner self. Now, how does one practice expressive writing? It's pretty straightforward, really. You only need a pen, some paper, and a quiet space. You start by choosing a topic that's been on your mind. It could be a personal experience, a challenge you're facing, or simply your thoughts on the day's events. Don't worry about grammar or punctuation, just let your thoughts flow freely onto the paper. Let's say, for instance, you've had a stressful day at work. Instead of bottling up your feelings, you decide to write about it. You describe the events of the day, the challenges you faced, and how they made you feel. As you write, you may find yourself gaining a new perspective on the situation. You may even come up with solutions to the problems you were facing. Expressive writing isn't just for the tough times, though. You can also write about positive experiences and achievements. This can boost your self-esteem and reinforce feelings of happiness and satisfaction. Remember, writing isn't just for authors. It's a powerful tool that can help you navigate through life's challenges. Our third trick is all about how you carry yourself. Good posture. The way you stand, sit, and move not only affects your health, but also how others perceive you. It's no secret that good posture can exude an aura of confidence and leadership. But did you know it can also trick your brain into feeling more self-assured? Indeed, the mind-body connection is powerful and can influence your emotional well-being. When you maintain good posture, you're sending a signal to your brain that you're ready to take on the world. Your mind interprets this physical stance as a sign of readiness and strength, bolstering your self-esteem and reducing feelings of fear and anxiety. This psychological boost can make your day-to-day tasks seem less daunting and more manageable. Now you might wonder, how can I improve my posture? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Start by being mindful of how you're sitting or standing. When sitting, keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Your feet should be flat on the floor and try not to cross your legs. When standing, stand tall with your shoulders back and keep your weight balanced on both feet. Avoid slouching or leaning to one side. Regular exercise, particularly strength training and flexibility exercises, can also help improve your posture over time. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine, and you might be surprised by the positive changes you'll experience. You'll not only look and feel better physically, but you'll also notice an improvement in your mental well-being. You'll feel more confident and in control, ready to face whatever challenges come your way. Now remember, improving your posture doesn't happen overnight. It takes practice and patience, but stick with it, and you'll soon reap the rewards. This simple yet effective trick can make a significant difference in your life. So, stand tall and walk with confidence. Your posture can speak volumes before you utter a single word. Our final trick is something we often overlook: asking for help effectively. This might seem straightforward, but it's often more complex than we imagine. We all need help sometimes, but asking for it can be challenging. We fear judgment, rejection, or being perceived as weak. However, the truth is that asking for help is actually a sign of strength. It demonstrates that we are self-aware, understand our limitations, and are proactive in seeking solutions. Psychologically, asking for help can relieve stress and anxiety. When we share our burdens, we lighten our load. It fosters a sense of community, strengthens relationships, and instills a feeling of being cared for and supported. So how can we ask for help effectively? It's all about communication. Be clear about what you need and why you need it. For instance, if you're swamped at work, instead of simply saying, "I am overwhelmed," you could say, "I have 3 big projects due this week. Could you help me with the data analysis for one of them?" Express your request in a way that shows respect for the other person's time and expertise. Saying something like, "I value your opinion and would appreciate your help," can make the person feel appreciated and more inclined to assist. Also, remember to be open to reciprocation. When we ask for help, we should also be willing to offer help when others need it. It's about creating a balance and fostering a culture of mutual support. Finally, don't forget to express gratitude when someone helps you. A simple thank you can go a long way in making the other person feel valued and appreciated. So the next time you find yourself struggling, remember, it's okay to ask for help. It's not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your strength and wisdom. Learning to ask for help effectively can lead to personal growth, improved relationships, and a more balanced life. Remember, it's not a sign of weakness to ask for help. On the contrary, it's a sign of strength and wisdom. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Your support fuels our dedication to keep sharing these psychological nuggets of wisdom designed to ease the journey we call life. Thank you for being so supportive. Let's wrap things up. We've explored 4 psychological tricks today that can make your life easier. Let's take a moment to recap. First, we learned about the power of silence over yelling. By avoiding loud, aggressive communication, we can foster healthier relationships, reduce stress, and promote a more peaceful environment. So next time you feel the urge to raise your voice, remember that silence can often speak louder. Our second trick was expressive writing. As we've seen, penning down your thoughts and feelings can be a therapeutic exercise, helping to clear the mental clutter, increase self-awareness, and even improve problem-solving skills. So go ahead, grab that pen and paper, and let your thoughts flow. Then, we delved into the importance of maintaining good posture. It makes you appear more confident and has profound effects on your physical health, reducing the risk of back pain and improving breathing. So stand tall, sit straight, and let your body language speak volumes about your confidence. Lastly, we discovered the art of asking for help effectively. It's not a sign of weakness, but an act of strength, demonstrating your willingness to learn and grow. It's all about being clear in what you need and gracious in your request. Try incorporating these tricks into your daily life and see the difference they can make. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements over time. So start today and create a better, easier, and more fulfilling life for yourself. Until next time, keep growing, keep improving, and remember, the journey of self-improvement is a continuous one, filled with constant learning and growth. So stay curious, stay open, and keep striving for the best version of you.